What is going on YouTube? So today we're actually at Seven's Day. We did a Seven's Day video last year, but unfortunately this time it's downpouring near us. So I don't know if you see in the back, but it's a little lighter now, but near us it was like really downpouring. We're taking it a little light, but my buddy said that it's not raining near him in New York City where Seven's Day happens. So we're gonna just keep trucking it and hopefully the rain stops or we can outbeat it at some point. And we're on our way. We're not gonna miss Seven's Day for nothing. Noel's car's not here, so he's not doing so hot. Seven's Day for RX-7s. Don't worry, we're gonna get it done. Everything's gonna be okay. My daughter has no idea I'm even filming right there. She has just no idea what's going on. Well, we're stopping a little bit up the ways. We're gonna meet up with some of my friends. I'll show you some of their cars if they brought them. One of them is pretty badass, so hopefully he brought it. And then we're heading to the city. Well, we're gonna head to Jersey first, and then we're gonna head to the city. So, oh my God, that was crazy. Lightning everywhere too, so this is great. So hopefully it lets up. If not, I may turn around, but I'm gonna try my hardest to just keep it trucking. So we made it to the spot. So seen in the video, there's Ceslo's car, Heck's car, but Heck has like an 800 something horsepower Civic Si. It actually looks similar to that, but he just messed up his block a little bit. So he'll be up hopefully sometime soon, but it did just pour, so his car's still dirty. And then you got Dave. He has the Supra that I wanted you to see, but he brought his RX-7 instead. 1050. So here's his RX-7.
So now mind you, he had a bi-motor and a trans too.
And since it's Seven's Day, it just makes sense for him to bring that. So yeah, we're about to head out and see what's up. And hopefully the weather stays nice, because now it's nice here. So we found some other people. We might just cruise out with these guys. I don't know yet. So we're probably not going to wait for anybody. We're just going to head out, get to Seven's Day. So we decided to park. I moved away from my boys, so we decided to park. There's mine, it's his 32, and then we got Sam's R34 over there, Bluezilla, if you guys ever on YouTube. I don't think his YouTube channel's in English. Then we have my buddy Mark and Paul. They're coming to park here, and I think Ed from Regiment Zero is going to park next to him. So we kind of have our skylines together. We kind of parked from the side, you know. Didn't want it. It's Seven's Day. We headed into RX-7 territory. The only one here with RX-7 right now,
Big Daddy.
Dave. It's faster than your slow ass Supra, right?
Yeah.
Dave's got a fast Supra. I'll never tell him that to his face though. So don't ever repeat that. Ooh. Yo, Supra's in the wrong spot, dog. new car every single time I see him. He's got a red R34, he's got a black R34, and then he's got this. Adam, Jimmy pulled up behind him, and I don't know the other guys behind him. I mean, Tommy F. has there too. Everybody gotta go. So, as you guys can see, cops shut it down. They came in, a lot of them. There's still 4 or 5 right there. 7th Day is not a full sanctioned event, so it's like, you know, come at your own risk. And they finally shut us down. I mean, normally we leave here by 8, and it's 8:30 anyway, so we're late. But now we're gonna head to Times Square. We're gonna skip Harlem, which is the next spot, and yeah, we'll see you there. What is that? For real though, that's crazy. The city is live right now. We got this whole block. We chilling. Our boy Danny made it. We got my Skyline friends here, and there's some on the other side of this. I'll show you his. Yo, when in New York, man, we had to get some pizza, but it's hot in here, dude. You can see me, I'm sweating. It is hot, but we about to get some pizza. Hopefully this shit's bomb. Yo, look how hot this pizza is. And this, first off, the cheese sliding everywhere. This shit is hot. And I got French fries. Come on, Sam.
Hell no.
So, I've known Sam for years, and so I've seen him do this dozens and dozens of times, but this is great. Look at everybody. Sam will put on a show. I've watched him, people were winning a two-step competition. I watched him come onto the two-step competition, beat that person, and then drive off. So, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my pizza while everybody's just watching him two-step. So now my buddy Danny, which you'll see him in the video earlier, he's got the hood that has 7th Day on it. He just did a two-step. That shit was so loud, everybody just... That shit sound like gunshots. Danny shit is no joke. That is great. Guys, I'm trying to eat peacefully, and I just got one question. Does pineapple belong on pizza? Because Noel...
Yo, pineapple the world, alright?
No, hell no. Noel...
Hawaiian pizza all day.
I need a new partner. This isn't working out. Pineapple on pizza, that's like, that should be illegal. Avani, pineapple on pizza?
No.
Absolutely not. Yo, Tesla, pineapple on pizza? See? Noel's a weirdo. daughter walk around for a little bit. She said she hasn't been here in ages, but she's lying. As always, guys, stay hustling.